How's everyone going today? I hope good and enjoying this beautiful weather. Well, here in Minnesota anyways. I don't know about where you are. So I started the plywood. I actually forgot to take you guys along. I'll show you what I got done so far. So all these squares I got free. So I'm kind of just making them work. I know some of the right here doesn't blend the same, but there's a window there, so that'll help. I'll just put a square up there. So I'll get this all done. I got a couple more to go over here, along this wall here, and then I'll go get the tin and put that in. And I'm hoping I can get the top put in. I'll do that with the table saw. I have a table saw up in the garage, so I'll just bring the pieces up and I'll cut them in the table saw. It'll be easier. And yeah, and then take down all this insulation, and I don't need any more. I'll probably use that for something else that I have planned. I know some of you are probably thinking, what are you doing with that big crack there? You gotta remember I'm coming back with tin, so that should be fine. And actually, I think I might tin this whole wall because of the perch for them, because all the poop gets on that wall. So I think I might do that now looking at this, which would be fun. I got plenty of it. Alright, so I got it done, the bottom side all done. I take this down yet. The door actually took me a while to get that all fixed up, but you can see the tin is all up, and I'm still debating on doing another row up here just to match this wall, but that's where the roost goes. It doesn't sit at an angle like that, it sits against the wall. So that's that. I'm gonna put some wood chips in here. I also want to clean out their nest box and get that set up again. That actually is, I want to get their nest box cleaned out and get that set up again. That actually, my dad and I built that, and there's an angle in there, and you get the eggs from the other side. So I'm going to get that fixed up. I'm going to redo that. I was just talking to my wife, Sara, and she was down here with our little one, and they're looking at everything, and we're kind of going through what we're going to do. I'm going to redo this, and I have the tin. I'm going to tin this, so that's why I got to watch how much tin I use in there. I'm going to put tin on the front here, and I'm going to take this wire. I'm going to take this pallet apart. I'm going to use these boards to make like a kind of older looking door frame, and then I'm going to use this mesh wire to sit on top, up top. And I was just asking her if she wants a barn style door. But so this will be the area, the little chicks. This will be our brooder. Now this is the same size as the chicken coop. So what I'm thinking is tearing this out and then having this a bigger coop. Being we have 40 chickens coming. I know that whole side's big enough and we'll be fine because they're mostly outside anyways, but I'm looking at like during the winter, I can always put a divider wall here and have this just for the brooder and have just a little section over there for a brooder. I'm curious, what do you think I should do? Do you think I should add this so it's big part of the coop, so it's a big coop? Or do you think I should just leave this as the brooder and have that as the main coop? It got warm out today. Down here we're kind of downhill and we're surrounded by trees. This is to the west, to the south. That's north. I'm all done. Take you inside here. So what it looks like now with all the wood chips. I put a brick cinder block deal right here. So this way the wood chips don't push up against the door, because I was having problems with that door taking on moisture and then getting bigger. But I made the pockets bigger, so it's a little more loose in there. All we have to do now, or I have to do, you'll just watch, all I have to do now is take down the top, which isn't the end of the world. Leave a comment down below and tell me what you think. Should I make that other side a brooder, or leave it the brooder, or should I make it into a chicken coop? The one rare breed that we have coming, I have never, I've never ever bought chickens this expensive before. I've sold some hens that were 2 years old, and I sold them for $6, and that was still cheaper than what these are. These are just over $7 a chick, and it's a straight run. So I hope it's more hens than roosters. So anyways, I have to keep them separate. I don't have to. I'm going to, because I want to incubate some, and eventually what we'd like is have, 25 to 30 of those, of that breed coming. I gotta build a chicken tractor, I think, for that. Or do you guys think I should just make this coop bigger and put them all together? Let me know what you guys think. Throw a comment down below. Hope you guys like what I did so far. It's not anything beautiful or anything, but I used what I had. I didn't spend anything on this. And yeah, I hope you guys are all doing good, and taking this time and spending it with your family. The one thing that I hope people are taking out of all this stuff that's going on in the world right now is I hope they're spending time with their family. My wife and I are pretty fortunate, Sarah and I, that we work from home. It's our own business, so we kind of can set our own hours, and we can work at night if we have to, or if we need to, or if we have something going on during the day. So we like to spend a lot of time with our kids. We're pretty fortunate. I really wanted it after my mom passed, and I felt like it was cut short with her, and I didn't want that with us. So we really just focused on our business, and that's what we wanted to do. So we did it, and there is no regrets. If you like what you guys saw, leave a thumbs up, smash that like button, and then leave a comment down below and tell me what you guys think about the brooder. Subscribe and hit the... Glad you got to see me again. Bye.